2019 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, compass, fog lights, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, Sirius satellite radio, power driver's seat, rear window wiper, rear view camera. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.